Our next example is number 7. This one is a bit different because you already have logs as part of the original equation. Okay, so you are told if log base e of t1 or log t1 to the base e minus log t2 to the base e is equal to u or micro times u times theta. Okay, find in a form free of logs t1. In other words, make t1 the subject of the formula. Okay, so now t1 is part of the logs here. Okay, so if we want t1, we need to get rid of the logs. So how do we do that? Okay, so now what we can do here is we notice that we have two logs. There's a minus sign and the bases are the same there. Okay, and notice your base is e. So you can write this as natural log, but I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Let's have a look at your log law. If you have log of a minus log of b, and if the bases are the same, then your negative will change to division. So let me apply that law there. So this is the same as writing log with your common base. There's my common base here. The minus sign will change to division, and then I will have t1 divided by t2. On the right hand side, I have my u times theta. Okay, so now, right, so if I want what's inside the bracket there, I need to get rid of the log equation. I need to convert from logs to exponents. So remember our log laws. If you have log a to the base b equal to c, then converting from logs to exponents, a will equal to the base in the log equation will become the base in the exponential equation. A is equal to b to the power c. So if we compare, c, the right hand side is u theta, which is going to become the exponent there, and a is t1 over t2. So there's your a here, and your base b is e, which will become the base in your exponential equation. So I can convert from logs to exponents. So I can write this as t1 over t2, which is a, is equal to b, which is e to the power c to the power u times theta. So now I have converted from log form to exponential form. All I want to do is work out t1. So what do I have there? I have t1 divided by t2 is equal to e to the power u times theta. I want to work out t1. So therefore I do not want t2 on the left hand side. So you should know by now, if you do not want t2 there, cancel it by multiplying by t2 over 1. So t2 and t2 will cancel. Whatever I do on the left hand side, I must do on the right hand side. So now t1 is equal to e to the power u theta times t2 over 1. So t1 is just equal to t2 times e to the power u theta. Nothing more you need to do there. So that's converting from logs to exponents.